A shave with C.O. Bigelow coming up next. Oh, that's nice and smooth. Hi YouTubers and wet shavers everywhere, it's Mark at GeorgeTune.com. I'm back with another video. Thanks so much for joining me again. I really do appreciate it. I absolutely love making these videos. It is really the highlight of my day. I look forward to this. I love to plan these out. I love editing them. I love responding to all the comments. I really enjoy making these videos for you. So thank you. Thank you very much for tuning in. I really do appreciate that. If this is your first visit here, welcome. Feel free to look around, check out the other videos, and also please consider subscribing. Well, in all the shaves that I've done, I have yet to do a shave where I create a lather just from a shaving cream and brush. No bowl lather, no soap, just a shaving cream into the brush bristles and then right doing a face lather. So that's what I'm going to do this time around. I'm going to use C.O. Bigelow. Now you can get this at, what is that called? Bath and Body Works, I believe. It's $10 for one of these tubes. And they sometimes run a special where you buy two, you get one free. So you get three of these tubes for 20 bucks, which is a really great deal. They also make a smaller size for travel. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to have a shave. I'm going to do a face lather just using a shaving cream and the shaving brush. And hey, let's get right to it. Okay, I'm going to kick it off with the Cube 2.0 from VIKINGS Shaving. This is the cube with menthol in it, formula CK6, activated charcoal. So I'm going to get a nice double menthol kick from the shave because C.O. Bigelow is actually Proraso green. My understanding is that Proraso makes it for C.O. Bigelow. Okay. Okay, that's got it. Wipe my hands off here a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Amber Aerolite shaving brush from VIKINGS Shaving. I'm going to wring that out a little bit. It's going to be somewhat damp, but not overly damp. And I'm going to take the C.O. Bigelow, and I'm just going to squirt about that much shave cream right into the brush there. Set that down, and we're just going to go ahead and start doing a face lather. You don't want the brush to be overly damp. If you feel that you need to add water as you go, that's probably the better strategy. So the brush was probably the right amount of water to start for me, for this shave. And I mean, boom, lather. But I am going to add a little bit to the tips, just a little bit. Wow, that's fantastic. Of course, the pre-shave helps, absolutely. And it just got a great menthol sensation to it. It's the menthol and eucalyptus has that great sensation, that great feeling, great scent. Okay. Wow, look at that. How quick and easy is that? Plenty on the brush there also. I find it works great with synthetic brushes, and of course, I'm just using synthetic brushes more and more. I mean, they're great. They just do some great all-around lathering, whether it's a face lather, a bowl lather, a lather with a shaving cream right in the brush. Great job. All right, so we're going to use my VIKINGS blade Emperor adjustable razor. This is the frosted chrome version, and just make sure that it's all the way to the max. Open up the doors, and we're going to use a VIKINGS blade mild razor blade for this shave. Smooth and sharp, good for about 5 to 7 shaves. I usually get a good 5 shaves out of one of these blades. So we're going to put that in there like that and just close those doors, make it nice and snug. And I'm going to turn this down to about 4.5. 4.5. I don't know if you can see that in the lighting here. But we're going to go ahead and just run this under some hot water. Heat that up. Ooh, that's good and hot. Swirl it in the sink to bring it to the proper temperature. All right, here we go. 30 degrees, a light touch. Let the razor do all the work, gentlemen. Oh, that is so wonderfully smooth. And I have about a day's worth of beard growth here. That's probably a good setting for me. 4.5, 5 with this razor. I prefer my shaves to be on the mild side, and this was a nice mild first pass. First pass done, let's rinse. Nice first pass, on par with a lot of others. Taking the beard down in stages, but here, look how much soap or cream I have to make a lather for a second pass. In this brush, look at that. Look how much is in the brush to create another lather. Again, look at all that lather. Wow, that's fantastic, fantastic. I'm going to turn this down just a half. I'm going to go down to, just down to 4. Okay, so I'm going to be at 4. Just turning it down just a little bit. And we're going to go east to west across the grain. Nice and smooth. That is really, really nice and smooth. All right, pass number 2 done. Let's rinse. Okay, that's a nice shave. I could declare this shave done, but I'm going to do a third pass to show you how much more cream I have in the brush to build a lather. Look. Okay, I mean, I mean, look, I think I have enough for a fourth pass if I need to. Fantastic. Okay, so we're going to take this and we're going to turn it down to about, you know what, I'm going to take it down to just under 3, 2.5, 3, somewhere in there. And we're going to go south to north against the grain. Very, very light pass. All right, third pass done, let's rinse. It's a nice shave. That's a nice shave. That really is nice. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my 2 final rinses, one warm, one cold. Here's my warm water rinse. That's great. Yeah, very satisfying. Here's my cold water rinse. Gonna get a menthol kick here for sure. Oh, that was great. Oh my gosh. Clean, fresh towel waiting for me. That was marvelous. Wow. What a kick. Wow, that's marvelous. Okay, here's my Allen block from Phoenix Shaving. The no-slip grip, the dry dock system. Going to run under some cold water here and get some feedback. See if there's any stinging or zinging, that sort of thing. Oh, I got a couple of zings, no doubt. Couple of zings there, but no real stinging. Nothing that's hitting me over the head saying I got too close. But the thing with the Vikings blade adjustable razor for me is I keep it on the mild side because dialing it up, it feels so smooth that I'm probably getting a more aggressive shave than I'm aware of. It really is a fantastic razor, but it just gives such a wonderful, smooth, close shave. I've learned that I just keep it on the mild side and I get these wonderfully close, smooth BBS shaves from it. Here's the dry dock system. I'm going to put that in there like that. And I'm going to show you this brush so you can see how much is left in there. Look. Look at that. Look at that. Like I say, it has enough. Look at that peak. That's enough for, gosh, a fourth pass, a touch-up. Well, that's terrific. That really is terrific. I'm going to clean that later. And we're going to go right to my aftershave splash. And I'm not going to use a menthol aftershave splash. I'm going to use one of my favorites, Wild Country. Again, came back for sale this year. And I bought 3 bottles last year. I bought 3 bottles this year just to have enough. And I really do like it. I'm just kind of splashing all around here. Wiping things down as I go. I apologize. So, oh yeah, this is in the same ballpark as Club and Pinot. That's the way I've always described it. You know what? Your mileage may vary, but that's the way I regard it. Oh, that's nice. That's got a great brace to it as well. And for upstairs, we're going to use Wild Country Aftershave Balm. Same great scent. Only in a balm, I'm going to use that much there. And we might carry some down onto the face as well for some extra moisture. I did do a head shave, and I used this method when I did the head shave. I did my head shave few hours earlier, and it just worked wonderfully well. So I'm kind of hitting my head again with this aftershave bulb, but that's okay. I had a little workout in the shower, so I need it. Okay. And if I were going out, here is the Wild Country cologne spray on. So if I were going out, you know, maybe just a couple of 2 squirts on the back of the neck there, and I'm all set to go. So, you know, all 3 of those, same great Wild Country scent. Great shave. Really, really terrific. Another great way to create a lather, if you don't have a shaving bowl, if you don't have any shaving soap, you just got the shaving cream, you got a good brush. This is a nice way of doing it. Now, some guys, some other wet shavers will take the shaving cream and they'll just put some on their finger and they'll dab it on their face in key areas, maybe one here, on the chin, here and here, and then they'll get their wet brush and they'll build a lather from those little dollops of shaving cream sitting on their face like that. I like putting it in the brush, have a little more control of that. As you can see, I probably used anywhere from 3/4 of an inch, maybe an inch, something like that. I'd have to look at it again. Also know that when you use shaving cream from a tube versus something in a bowl, at least I have to gauge the correct amount from bowl to tube. So when I use a tube, I'm usually dispensing a little more because I think that when I get a dollop out of a tub, it's probably the right amount, but I overcompensate, so to speak. I squeeze out a little more, and I think that is the equivalent of what I would dollop out onto my finger from an actual bowl of shaving cream. So that's kind of the way I gauge it. So I would say err on the side of maybe a little more out of a tube when you're dispensing it, and that'd probably be the correct equivalent of what you dollop out of a bowl. At least that's the way I've always looked at it. But this was a great way of creating a shaving lather, and it gave me an absolutely wonderful shave. And of course, the Vikings Blade Emperor Razor did an absolutely fantastic job. I love the frosted chrome. I also have the Augustus. Boy, these are terrific adjustable razors. Really give a smooth shave, especially with that Vikings Blade mild razor blade. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed that. Another way to create a lather. Doing a face lather using shaving cream and a good synthetic shaving brush. Hey, thanks very much for tuning in again. I really do appreciate it. Please share, please subscribe, please like. Hit that bell so it'll give you a yell the next time I upload a video. Comment below, let me know. Check out the Executive Shaving Company. Use the code MARK5. Check out my blog, georgetoon.com/blog for my comic strip George, or the cartoons or the videos like this. I'm on Facebook. Check out my Facebook page. Check out Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements for some great shaving gear. Check out my Amazon product page at amazon.com/shop/marksradio, where you'll find all the products that I review on this channel, organized and categorized, so you can find everything in a snap very easily. Thanks very much for tuning in again. I really do appreciate it. I'll see you again real soon.